Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning on how to hack someone's phone remotely without the knowledge. Please note this video is solely for educational purpose only. Okay, so first in order to hack someone's phone, you will need to gain access to the phone which you want to hack. Once you gain access, all you need to do is open the Google Chrome and type in there mobile tracker free. Once you're in the website, click on install application. Now in the next page, click on download mobile tracker free. Once you do that, it will ask you to sign up. Just enter your email ID and password. As for me, since I have already signed up, I'll just enter my email ID and password. Now click on download application. Please make sure you check both the box which is provided to you and enter the captcha and click on download mobile tracker free. And click OK once again. While it is still downloading, you need to go to your Play Store and click on the three dash line which is above on the Play Store. Click on Play Protect. Click on Play Protect. And go to settings and turn off body options. Close the Play Store. Okay. Once again, now let's go to the downloaded file. Now let's click on install. Once it is done, click open. Now you need to enable installation unknown apps. Click on allow from this source, enable that. And then click on download mobile tracker free. Okay. Once it is done, click on install mobile tracker free. And now click on a login and try to give as much permission possible except for the notification. Click on next now. For the last step, you just need to log in with the same email ID and password. Make sure you enable every features possible and click on save. Now the apps is ready and installed in the victim's phone. but they won't be able to see the apps which is already installed in the phone. Now, in order to open the apps, you just need to type *1234 and hash. That will bring up the application which you want to, if you want to uninstall. Now, in order to see or spy or monitor the victim's phone, you can simply take a laptop or even your own phone, open Google Chrome, and type in their mobile tracker free. Once you're into the website, since you have already signed up, you just need to go to the login page, which is on the top on the right hand side. Click on login and type in there the same email ID and password which you have already typed in before. Just log in and you will be able to see everything like contacts, like video. You can even record live video. You can even monitor SMS. You can take a screenshot of the phone anytime, any place, anywhere. And also you can simply enable the video camera without the victim's knowledge, or even you can on the mic and listen to what they're speaking right now at the moment. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, please give a like. Thank you.